All right, so let's look at the homework. This is part A, and we're going to do problems 1 through 8. So first we'll do number 1 together. Number 1 says an unbalanced force of 25 newtons E. So I'm going to write my given. So F is equal to 25 newtons east is applied to a 12 kilogram mass. So M is equal to 12 kilograms. What is the acceleration given to the mass? I want to find the acceleration. And again, these are all the same. So simple. So first, I'm going to write my basic equation. F is equal to ma. Now remember, when we write the equation every time we do the homework, even though all 8 of these have the same equation, if I write it down every time I do the problem, am I going to have to study this equation for the test? No, because I'm writing it every single time I use it. So now the next step is I'm going to rearrange the equation to solve for the unknown in terms of the known. So A is equal to F over M, which is equal to 25 newtons over 12 kilograms. But if I want, I can already change that newton in my work and say, well, this is a kilogram meter per second squared. And when I do that, I can already cancel my units. So when I get my final answer of 2.1, the unit is meters per second squared, and that's the correct unit for acceleration. All right, I'm going to jump to number 5, and you can just, on your homework, jump to number 5 too, because they don't have to be in order. And I just want to do number 5 because it's just a little bit different as far as the value, so it'll help me to explain stuff. All right, so number 5 says, an object is moving with a constant velocity. And you know, you can get in the habit now, this is important, reading constant velocity, because constant velocity, and I'm just going to write it now. Oh no, an object moving with a constant velocity has an unbalanced force acting on it. Okay? If the unbalanced force is negative 20 newtons, and the mass is 3.75 kilograms, what is the acceleration? So first I'm going to write my basic equation. F is equal to ma. And then I am going to rearrange the equation to solve for the unknown in terms of the known. So A is equal to F over M. I'm going to substitute in my values 20. And instead of newton, I'm going to write kilogram meter per second squared, divided by 3.75 kilograms. So my kilograms cancel. Now I end up getting negative 5.33 meters per second squared. So I see here that my acceleration is negative. So the negative means it's slowing down. That's what the negative means. So this is important because you have to be aware of the signs. You know, is it positive, is it negative? Because the negative signs are going to end up meaning something. So don't forget to use your sign convention.